Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to summarize chapter number 14, Chemical Effects of Electric Current. Here we are going to discuss some of the important topics, like we will take some substances and we will find out which one are the good conductors of electricity and one is a poor conductor of electricity. So we will arrange the circuit as shown in this diagram, and we will place the bare ends of the wire in the tap water, and we will find that the bulb will glow. This proves that tap water is a good conductor of electricity. But if we will try the same with distilled water, the bulb will not glow because distilled water is a poor conductor of electricity. Children, instead of this bulb, we can also use magnetic needle, which I have already explained you in my earlier class. Because this LED bulb or this magnetic needle, they can detect the weak current also. And as you have seen, all the materials which we have used, they are not very strong conductors of electricity. Now we can classify all these materials into electrolyte and non-electrolyte. The next topic is electrolysis. It is a process due to which a solution of chemical compound conducts electric current and at the same time undergoes a chemical change. Children, this electrolysis process has many applications or uses. We can use this electrolysis process for different purposes. One such application is electroplating. So what is electroplating? It is the process of depositing a thin layer of superior metal on an inferior metal with the help of electric current. Electroplating has its own importance as it helps in protecting the metal, that is the inferior metal can be protected by giving a coating of superior metal like nickel or chromium. Second thing, we can make the cheap imitation jewelry by electroplating silver or gold on the brass or aluminum jewelry. So basically electroplating is a process where superior metal will be coated on the inferior metal. Now there are many more applications of electrolysis. One application just now we have discussed, that is electroplating. The second application of electrolysis is decomposition of the chemical compounds. When the current passes through any chemical compound, aqueous solution of any chemical compound, the chemical compound decomposes into its respective ions. Third application of electrolysis is for purifying the metal. We can separate the impurities from the metal which we have extracted from the earth. And the last application is electrolysis can be used for the extraction of aluminium metal from its ore. Children, I hope you have understood the importance of electrolysis and electroplating. For the process of electrolysis or electroplating, we need electrodes. What are electrodes? They are the metal wires or rods or plates through which the current enters or leaves an electrolyte. The electrodes are of two types. One is cathode, the other one is anode. Cathode is the electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and anode is the electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. and current always flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. These electrodes, they help in the process of electrolysis, and when they help in the process of electrolysis, the electrolyte get decomposed into ions. So what are ions? They are the electrically charged atoms or group of atoms. Again, they are of two types, cations and anions. Cations are the positively charged ions. For example, the sodium ion or the copper ion or hydrogen ion. Anions are the negatively charged ions like chloride ion or hydroxyl ion, etc. Generally, the cations, they move towards the cathode and the anions move towards the anode. And that is how they complete the electric circuit and help in the process of electrolysis. Electrolysis process continues. When the current is passing through the electrodes, the electrolyte gets decomposed into its ions and the ions will move towards the oppositely charged electrode and they get separated. So these are the few important topics of the chapter. I hope you have understood these topics. In case of doubt, you can always ask me in our online class. Thank you.